I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with RPG Show again. Alright, so let's get into the drawstring bag. As you know, got the box. Everything is branded pretty much the same way as usual. And then it's always so nicely presented. And I got the wig, which we're gonna get into. And they have a demonstration, I guess, of the wig cap construction with today's wig. I got this envelope, which has a few of the absorber oil wig deep conditioner that they always send. And then I got this flyaway tamer. Okay. Then of course they sent their RPG Show magazine. And then I have a branded RPG Show elastic band. And the information card, like the invoices, has all the information. And it's always so nicely presented. We love a well presented package. Then I got a pair of wig caps. And lastly, I got this RPG Show bag, which you can use for storage. This is today's wig. Oh my gosh, the color is so fun. It feels so good. That's one thing I love. They always maintain their quality. The cap is their new updated cap construction. So it actually does look upgraded for you. They named it the Glueless Fit 2.0. Alright, so specifically for today's wig, it's a silky texture and it's 20 inches long. Now, as you can see, it's a very gorgeous highlighted kind of color job. It's a 13 by 6 glueless Swiss lace front wig, and it's 200% in density. Alright, of course, you know, the band is branded, and also inside of the cap looks like this. So it does have its adjustable straps in the back as usual. It has a total of 3 combs, and it's bleach. It's already pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about doing that. And it looks pretty good, you know. So I actually love the look of this. Of course, you know, the front is already pre-plucked. That's so nice and flawless. Absolutely love that. And it's a tinted transparent Swiss lace. Okay, top tier Swiss lace. That's the only thing RPG here does. They do nothing less, and I love that. The density of this wig feels so good. I'm so happy to go ahead and do this very easy beginner friendly install, because as you heard me say, it's a glueless wig. All right, before I slip the wig on, I wanted to get into a more detailed look of the new upgraded 2.0 glueless cap that RPG used for today's wig. So what this is intended to do is it have a more snug fit than the other caps that they would use for their wig construction. So the others would not be as snug, like on the forehead, for instance. This is all the way snugged, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about when I slip the wig on. But that is what this wig is intended to do, to be the ultimate proper fit without glue. So it is so targeted towards my beginners and people who really don't want to wear adhesive, you know, for that flawless and realistic fit. So yeah, so I'm happy they could send over this sample so you guys could really get into it a little bit more with what it really is and the reason for the upgrade. So now that I got through that, let me go ahead and slip this wig on. It is extremely snugged, but in a comfortable way. It's not hurting my head or anything. So before I go any further, obviously you can see that it's too long at the sides. So I'm gonna cut the excess off. And please do be reminded that once you cut away at the lace, that will encourage some shedding. So don't be alarmed when you see shedding happening. Like, that looks good, it feels good. I'm just gonna jump straight into cutting away the excess lace. from the hairline portion here. Just take your time. I always try to do my best with giving a very jagged cut, just so that, you know, it does come off more realistic. This lace is so undetectable. This is how it looks once I cut away the excess lace. Now, as you can see, just the sides need just a teeny bit of spray. It's really not a lot. It's not a lot, just to keep, and you know, just to keep it down, and that's all. Everything else is super laid. It looks so melted. Oh my gosh, let me go ahead and get my spray. And I'm gonna just let this dry down on the sides, and then I'm gonna proceed. And that's gonna be it for the installation of this wig. Can you believe that? It's so snug. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, absolutely no rippling. It's not looking loose. It's snugged, fitted. Just to help the sides to be super melted, I'm just gonna put my elastic band on. Make sure that gets really nice and laid. Once it's done, then I'll come back. And voila. Okay, RPG show. Look at that. Sitting, melted. No need for no powder to camouflage it any further. It's giving, man. No baby hair is needed, and it's glueless. So secure. So secure. So secure. Oh my god, it just have this effortless thing to it. Like, what? I'm just gonna kind of redefine it, give it like some effortless waves with my curling iron, you know, because she's giving effortless summer baddie. Oh my god, let me know what you guys think. Yes. Oh yes, I love this. Love it. Let's just go ahead. I'm gonna get my hot comb, get it really laid at the top, and I don't know, something about the naturalness though, about it not being all the way flat. I kind of like it. It just give me like, it's just, oh, so effortless. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into just, you know, quickly restyling this. And I can't stop running my hands through it. It's so silky and it feels so good. So I am getting minimal shedding, a few strands. And remember, I did cut away from the side, so far so good. Love it. I'm so excited.
Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. You know I'm just that right. No, nothing you.
there we have it. I gave it more of like a undone vibe. You know, that effortless wavy vibe, that's what I was going for. And it came out so good. Absolutely love it. Very nice and bouncy. The movement feel good. And I feel like these curls work so well with this type of color job. Like, it just gives it more oomph. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It feels so good. You can tell that this wig is of quality. Okay, top gal wig. Like, this is nothing. You understand? Yeah, you have them wig here. You want to put it on where you get a nice event. Yeah, man. Absolutely no glue needed. And it looks, it's melted. Okay, it is so natural looking. Yeah, man. As per usual, come on, it's RPG show. What did you really expect? They always come through with great quality, so I can't even complain. Yeah, you see that shine? The luster is so nice, and it's giving you just came from the hair salon. For sure. We love a good wig like this. Love it. I am here for the upgraded 2.0 glueless wig cap that they used to construct today's wig. I 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's so easy. You guys saw for yourself. So easy to install. The hair itself on the wig is beautiful. Love the color job. The specific link to this wig, if you're interested in getting it for yourself, will be in my description box. All the specifications will be in my description box. Any discount code, anything like that, it will be down below. I feel like this color is perfect for the summertime. It's giving summertime. It's fun, it's cute, it's trendy. I'm always here for a highlighted wig. Shout out to RPG Show once more for today's bomb glueless wig. Love it. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you like the wig, if you found it informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.